What's going on, everyone? Welcome to another outdoors video. Today we're back at the Beaver River. We're gonna see what we can catch. It's early fall, should be good musky. Catfish will be picking up here in mid-October, and we're gonna see if we can catch some bait fish here today. I was scoping a little bit and I saw some bluegill here. We're gonna see if we can catch a couple. There is no way I just caught that. What? Oh my gosh. That's incredible. I'm gonna put it in some white vinegar or something to get the rust off if there is any. But I just hooked this thing. What? The hunt for a nice fish has been a struggle so far, but we're not gonna let that stop us. We're gonna keep trying and see if we can find something. I got a minnow on this rod in the shallows. I got worms on this rod out in the deep. And then I'm gonna try and go for some muskie in the shallows with crankbait. Wow. Now I can see what we get snagged on. It's a bunch of wood. Well, only one way to find out if there's any fish in this shallow. There's a couple carp here too. I started walking away to move my stuff, and I realized my bobber is under that has a minnow, and I had no idea. Holy smokes. Oh no. Did it come off? The heck happened here? Was it not under? Wow, the carp are swarming. So I see a couple lantern flies. I wonder if they would do good for bait. We're about to find out. All right, I've been at it since 4. I got bread. We're gonna see if they want bread. Wow, he's really fighting. You got a bass. Nice. Nice smallie.
I got the biggest muskie on it. Oh, he is nice, huh?
Hey, he's about a 12, 13 incher right there.
He did it right at the bottom of that waterfall. As soon as it hit the water, man, boom. Thank you.
Sure. Oh yeah. Oh, I had him. I just had a carp on and missed it. Watch them too. Oh yeah, that's a carp. Holy smokes, he's a fighter. Oh yeah. It was. Here he comes right below, I think. Oh, come on, big guy. Oh yeah, he's a nice one. Man, I just about threw my dang phone. Woo!
What you gotta do? Go on the phone. Whatever, you know what I mean?
Every time. Trying not to let my drag be too loose, but I don't want to snap the line. And we gotta be careful around that snag too right there. He tried to get me. Ow. Gripping this rod too tight. Here he comes. He's coming up. He's going back. He's going back. Come on, buddy. Come on, buddy. Ooh, he's running. I gotta bring him down. Too big of a drop off. Just about took my dang rod. Come on, buddy. No, not at all. Yeah. Oh my gosh.
Come down here and play.
That's right. Just making it easier. Here he comes up. I see him. And he's coming up this way. My gosh. All right, here he comes. Just barely had him. Come on, buddy. Get back up. Oh, my hands. There he is. Let's go. Thanks. Oh my gosh, my arm. Oh yeah, that's it.
You like them things?
I love the fight.
Oh, they're fun to fight.
Oh yeah.
Ain't nothing. I mean, something.
Hey, I've been working at it for too long to not be happy about this thing.
Oh, I know. I've been watching.
Whew. Get over here, buddy. All right, go get bigger. Could be bigger. You can't make this up. My bread turned into a freaking piece of metal. What the heck? That looks new too. There's no rust on the thing. Had another one. Took it and ran with it. Thank you everyone for watching this video. It was pretty cool. We saw a lot of cool things. I caught myself a decent carp and we saw some cool fish. So if you like this video, leave it a like, tell me what you think, and subscribe for more videos. See you next time.